Hello and welcome to this week's art club. Today we're going to be making a big bright paper candle. Candles are important in lots of festivals like Diwali, Christmas, Hanukkah. Today we're going to be making one by using a sheet of card, some scrap card and tissue paper, some felt tips and crayons, scissors, glue and a pencil. You'll also need something to make the base of your candle. So for this you can use some kitchen roll or a paper cup or even a tin. If you do use a tin, make sure you get an adult to help you because there's sometimes some sharp bits. I've gone with a kitchen roll today and I'm just marking up. I've laid it on my A4 sheet of card and I'm marking the end of it. We want to then cover the kitchen roll in the paper card by rolling it up. But in order to roll it up, we're going to have to glue it down. So first things first, we're going to cut across the paper where we've marked our line on. And then once we've done that, we're going to put that to one side. We're going to use that bit of card later, so still keep hold of that. And then grab your glue stick and start gluing the inside of the paper, ready to roll. There we go, just make sure the edges line up neatly and then gently roll your kitchen roll along the paper. You want to leave this to dry now. Then we're going to grab the sheet of paper that we put to one side and decorate it. So you can decorate it in whatever way you would like. I'm using felt tips to do some zigzag line patterns and some polka dots all over mine. I wonder how you'll decorate yours. Now for my favourite part, some polka dots. Once you've finished your pretty patterns, turn the sheet over and apply some glue. We're going to be doing the same thing with this piece of paper. We're going to be rolling up in the centre of our kitchen roll. So grab your big roll and then place it centrally over the other bit of paper and then gently roll it up. It should look something like this. So when you've done that, you can pop it to one side, and now we're going to make our flame. So for my flame, I found a bit of scrap brown paper left over and also some tissue paper from a gift that was sent to me. So I'm taking the brown paper and I'm going to draw a big flame shape, trying to cover most of the paper. It's sort of like a teardrop shape, and then we're going to cut that out. And we're going to cut it out very carefully. And once we've cut it out, we're going to get our tissue paper, or if you've got other card, you can use that too, and then glue the flame onto the tissue paper. Press it down nice and firmly, and then we're going to sort out the edges. So we're going to sort out the edges by grabbing our scissors and making some nice zigzag cuts. Be very careful with your scissors at this point, and you might need to get an adult to help you. But the idea is that you're just going in and out, creating little jagged lines on the outside of your flame so it looks like it's a light. When you're finished, it should look something like this. Now, to make it look even more flamey, you can grab your felt tips or your crayons or your colouring pencils and colour it in with all of those warm colours. So yellows, oranges, reds. You can decorate it how you wish. I'm just filling in the centre and putting a few lines on the outside. Now we're going to attach our flame to the very top of our candle. This is the part where we light the candle essentially, but not obviously in real life. That would be dangerous. We are going to simply stick our flame onto the top of our candle just at the front. And there we have it. Now you might want to assess your candle, have a look at it and see if it needs any more decoration. I finished mine off with 3 long vertical lines at the front of my candle. Once you've done that, you're finished. Well done. Thank you so much for joining us at Art Club this week. See you next time.